Hi, my name is Miss Midderwick and I'm the subject leader for science here at Ringwood School. I wanted to record this short video just to try and help parents and students understand all about triple science as an option for Year 9 students. Now first of all, it's really important for everyone to be very clear that science is a core subject. That means all students will study science, and that will include aspects of biology, chemistry and physics. Now what most students will choose to study in science for year 10 and 11 is combined science. Now what that means is that students will have three separate teachers. They'll have one for biology, one for chemistry and one for physics. They'll have 3 lessons a fortnight in year 10, and that will increase to 4 lessons a fortnight in year 11. Now throughout the 2 years, students will study aspects of biology, chemistry and physics, and then they'll sit 6 exams at the end of year 11. Each of those exams will be an hour and 15 minutes long, and 2 of those exams will be for biology, 2 for chemistry and 2 for physics. Now once they've done those exams, the scores will be added up from all 6 papers to be able to give students 2 GCSE science grades. If students choose to study triple science into year 10 and 11, what that means is students will still have the same 9 lessons as mentioned on the previous slide. They'll have 3 teachers, one for biology, one for chemistry and one for physics, the same as for combined science. What will then happen is that they have an extra 5 lessons a fortnight with their triple science teacher. Their triple science teacher will teach the additional content that students will need, which will cover both biology, chemistry and physics. Now at the end of year 11, they will still sit 6 exams, the same number as combined, only the triple exams are longer. They're an hour and 45 minutes rather than an hour and 15 for combined science. However, what will happen is that the exam board will add the 2 scores together for biology to give them a biology grade, the 2 scores for chemistry to give a chemistry grade, and the 2 scores for physics to give a physics grade. In that way, students get 3 separate grades for triple science. In terms of what you'll study doing triple science, there is more science content because the content is worth 3 GCSEs as opposed to 2. However, most of the content is just more rather than harder. Now there are some topics that are unique to triple science. So for example, space is covered in triple science but is not covered in combined science. However, most of the topics are linked to the combined science. So for example, in combined science you need to understand about inheritance. However, doing triple science, you need to understand about the structure and the function of DNA. And who should choose triple science? Well, triple science is not about the ability of the student. Any student is welcome to study triple science. The content is more, not necessarily harder. However, the key thing that we would say for all triple science students is they must really enjoy science and have a passion for science. That's partly because we want you to be fully engaged and enthusiastic on the course, but also it's bearing in mind that you will have lots of science lessons each week with both combined science content and your triple science content. The other important point to note is that to study A-level sciences, you do not require triple science at GCSE. Lots of our current A-level scientists do have triple science from GCSE, but they don't require it. There are equally lots of science students at A-level who did not study triple science. And finally, because there's so much information in this video, I put together a table to summarise the key points. I hope this has been helpful in helping you make your decision.